The measurements are consistent with the tilt. Got the angles recorded, marking the rail defects ahead. Good, let's compare notes.
Almost there.
Looks good. Flanges are seated. Keep it steady there, we're making good progress. Moving along, this rust is thick. Almost done with this section, it's looking great.
All right, clear the old, new glass coming in. Watch the edges, seats perfectly. Now onto the sides.
Keep it tight on the edges.
Ready to cut the flooring here?
Needs one more panel secured at the back. Every panel checked, every window clear, every bogie on the rail. The GM Aerotrain. Complete, all 3 units.